everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen and it's giveaway time. I have been collecting all of this stuff for a while now, specifically to give away to my subscribers, and I believe now is the time. So let's do this. Let's do a giveaway. I do ask that you are a subscriber because it is, like I said, it is a subscriber giveaway. So if you could hit that subscribe button if you're not already. Comment and like this video just to keep it up and keep it popular. Just comment whatever you want and like this video. And then I know people don't like this, but I do have a Google form that I would like you to fill out as well. I know that's a lot of stuff to ask for, but the reason for the form is number one, so I can get a hold of you, because not everybody contacts you back when you do a drawing or anything like that. It's harder to get a hold of people in YouTube than it is to say Gmail or even Instagram or anything like that. However you want me to contact you, give me that information in the Google form. This is open globally, but I do ask if you're not in the US, if you can pay for half the shipping. The reason being is shipping is outrageous, and I just need it. It's just too much. It might be too much. If it's not too much, I'll absolutely cover it. But if it is, I just ask that you pay for half of it. And I do have that in the form as well, just so that you can agree to it. If you don't want to agree to it, then absolutely understandable. We can just move on. But for anybody that does want any of this, definitely fill out that Google form, like this video, as well as comment and be a subscriber. That being said, if you're international and you're paying for half the shipping, if there's anything in here you absolutely do not want, I will not be hurt. If you want to tell me you do not want it, I can move it on to the next giveaway. So let's see what's in here. Let's see. This will be my not so mystery box, just like last time. But it is just things that I will occasionally buy an extra one, or I get stuff that I've already have and I already use, so just to give away to you guys. So first up is this cute little crochet kit. It is Oli the Owl, and I actually did receive 2 of these in mystery boxes from Crafter's Companion. So this is a duplicate. Lenox cotton paper. This is a wonderful paper. I just have a bunch of it, so absolutely. I also want you to know some of these may be used for demo purposes in my videos. For example, there might be a page missing, or when we get to other things, you might be able to tell that they are used. They are used once, and that is it. And that is just strictly for unboxings. So absolutely, just know that they may not be absolutely brand new. If they're not, they were just used once. So I have some of these. These are gorgeous papers that you actually can stack if you'd like. I have 4 of them, and what the final item looks like when it's all done is it'll look like this. And it's a wonderful, I built it up with foam tape. So it's a wonderful dimensional for, well, anything. Mixed media, art journals, scrapbooks, cards, anything you want. So, very cool. I have a bag of mixed sequin packs from Crafter's Companion. There is stars and sequins and circles. In here, there's even some hearts in there somewhere. So, and it is a big pack. Very big pack, and it is gold. I have a couple stencils for you. Happy birthday and let your craft light shine. I love that. A couple embossing folders, and the reason I'm doing this now is I do have some Christmas stuff in here because I've been getting some Christmas stuff in, and I wanted to get these to you but in time to use them for your Christmas cards if you'd like. I know it's only September, so we have some time. So this is like champagne. This is like a party photo. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. And this is just a cool one. Happened to already have this one. And then a Christmas one that I absolutely love. This one is a die cut that has XOXO and sweet. It is this actual size. So it is the die, the metal dies. Then we have my absolute favorite. These are butterfly metal dies that you can actually stamp and cut out your card at this, well, on the same item. That is one of my favorites, and you can do it on either side, or you can just cut this whole thing out. There's lots of different options for that. That's my favorite. And then we have this die here that can make a gatefold card, or you can use it by itself. It's a very pretty lattice scroll is what it's called. And it does say create a card. And of course there are instructions to tell you exactly how to do it and to make the flaps if you want. Then this one is another lacy one, but it is a dream catcher. And can also do the little cutout on the edges as well. So that's super cool and pretty. This one does shaped cards. So you could absolutely do some shaped cards, maybe make a gingerbread house card, anything like that. And then we've got some stamps. I picked some sentiment stamps for you. This one has on your special day, celebrate, get well, thank you, with love, best wishes, hello. And this one is the sympathy pack that has a lot of sympathy stuff. Yeah, and there's just a bunch of little quotes in there. So it's a very pretty one. Then I have some gorgeous colored cardstock for you. I think there's 3 colors in here. Great for playing around with those dies, and it has kind of a pearly finish. 4 colors it looks like. And then I included one of my favorite Artful card kits. I got a couple of them, so I decided to include one. This is the Santa Baby Artful card kit. And what's really cool about these card kits is they have papers and embellishments, or die cuts. So they're already cut out, you just pop them out, and then you can make these super cool cards in like 5 minutes. So very nice, and it is a kind of a retro Santa. I had a waterfall card making kit, and there was a bunch of them in there that I wasn't gonna use, so I decided to share those with you. So I have the instruction sheet for you, as well as a couple of each, I believe, of the designs. You might have seen me opening these in a previous video, but these are the different pages you need to make a waterfall card. And I have a couple of each design, and I will keep them together as much as possible. Look at how gorgeous that one is. I don't have a sample to show you, but they are very cool. Oh, those I only have one of each design left. These I have a couple. So, oh, and there's that one again. And I did end up getting this a couple times, so there is a few of each in there, probably, or at least one. And of course, I will include the instructions for you in case you've never made a waterfall card before. It's super easy to do and a lot of fun. And then we can move on. I have some paints. I did end up with 2 of these from Imagination Crafts. This is the Rusty Patina paints in white, and this is more of a rust color, rustique. So that is more like acrylic paint, I believe, and it's textured. So those are really cool for patina effects. I have a pack of Spectrum Noir fine liners. Love these. A bottle of Higgins Fountain India ink. It's not open. I actually, during the video, realized I had the same one, so I didn't open it just so that it wouldn't spill on the way to you. The box is open, but the bottle itself is not. So perfect for Inktober if you're going to be doing that. A box of colored fine liners by Graphics. There's black, green, blue, and red. A Tombow Fudonowski, I believe. Fudonowski marker. I love these. I just have a lot of them. Definitely great for fine liners. A pack of blending stumps, and this is one I was talking about. You will see it is definitely used, but it was only used once. So absolutely wonderful if you want to do it for any drawing, chalk, charcoal, anything like that. Blending stumps. Let's go. A 4-pack of Marabou art crayons. And then these two wonderful little guys. This one has an HB, a 4B, and 2B, but it also has Creatorcolor charcoals, as well as, this is really cool, this is a monolith woodless pencil, and it is 4B. I love this one. I do not have another one of this, but I definitely wanted to share it. So there you have, that one's for you. Possibly used to test. If I did, I don't think I did a drawing with it. I just tested it out. So brand new. And then, oh, I did use the little leather for blending. So there's that. But that will be included as well. And then there is a box of Derwent drawing pencils and pencil sharpener. 6B, 4B, 8B, 2H, 2B, not in order, and HB along with a pencil. And these are Derwent brands. So there you have it. And that is the subscriber giveaway. Let me know, or do what you need to do. Comment below, like this video, and make sure you're a subscriber and fill out that Google form for me just so that I have your contact information. And if you're not in the US, let me know if you're willing to pay half of the shipping, and I will do a drawing in a couple weeks. Probably the first Saturday in October. How's that sound? We'll do the first Saturday in October, and thanks for watching.